Picture this. You sink your teeth into a cookie so soft and gooey it feels like a hug for your taste buds. Now here's the kicker. It didn't come from Crumbl. You made it at home. What's the secret? It's not what you think. Stick around and I'll show you the one step that makes all the difference. But first, have you ever wondered why some cookies puff up perfectly while others spread into sad flat blobs? Let's crack the code together. Crumbl cookies are famous for their thick, chewy texture and unique flavors. I've tested their recipes endlessly, and trust me, my first tries were disasters. Flat, burnt, crumbly, you name it. But I've got the secrets now, and I'm here to save you the trouble. Let's start with the classic chocolate chip cookie. The key? A mix of white and brown sugar for sweetness and depth. But here's the real secret. Chill the dough. Not just a little, just right. Too short, and you'll have cookie pancakes. Too long, and they'll be rock hard. And if you're feeling adventurous, try my strawberry shortcake cookies with a touch of lemon zest, or peanut butter banana cookies with ripe bananas for extra moisture. Each recipe has its twist, but they all share one golden rule, and we're getting to it. Here's the secret to perfect Crumbl cookies. Under baking. Take them out when they're still soft in the center. Yes, even if they look undone. I guess that's what everybody's trying to say, right? That Crumbl cookie is undone and bad for you. Well, they're not. They'll finish cooking as they cool, giving you that signature chewy texture. Pro tip, use a silicone baking mat instead of parchment paper. It keeps the cookies from spreading too much and gives them a professional finish. Ready to get baking? Start with the chocolate chip recipe. It's foolproof and absolutely irresistible. And don't forget to experiment with the other flavors. There's something for everyone. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try.